With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is which of the following will have a mesoisomer? Okay, so we need to tell out of all these four options which one will be a mesoisomer. Okay, so first of all we should know what is optically active and chiral center. See, chiral center is a center which has all four different substituents attached to it. Okay, see this is a carbon. Here let's say A, B, D are the substituents which are attached to one carbon, and since all the four substituents are different, this carbon will be our chiral center. Okay, chiral center, if this is a chiral center, this will be a chiral center, right? Then this will possess optical activity. And this compound will be optically active. Okay, so this will possess this will be optically active. Okay, and this will possess what? This will be an optically active compound, and this will possess optical activity. Now, what do we mean by optical activity? It means that a compound having a chiral center will be able to rotate plane polarized light either to the right or to the left direction. That is our optical activity. Okay, so thus in meso compounds, if you see in meso compounds, we should have minimum 2 chiral centers must be there. Okay, then a compound can be a meso compound. Alright, then a compound can be a meso compound. Okay, so now, and these are optically inactive compounds. These are optically inactive compounds. Okay, mesoisomer is the isomer, or you can say, you can also call mesoisomer as the meso compound. Okay, it is a non-optically active, or you can say this is a non-optically active compound, or you can say this is a non-optically active member of a set of stereoisomers, or you can say this is not. You can just simply say that this is not optically active. Okay, in spite of having 2 chiral centers. Okay, in the mesoisomers 2 chiral centers are there, but because plane of symmetry is present in these structures, in spite of having 2 chiral centers, they are still not optically active. Okay, so now these are the mesoisomers. Now let's see the structures, and then we'll see whether they are meso compounds or not. If they are meso compounds, they will be what? Not optically active. And the question we need to tell which of the following will have a mesoisomer, which is a mesoisomer actually. Okay, that means one of the isomers of these compounds will be a mesoisomer. So first option is 2-chlorobutane. So let's draw the structure of 2-chlorobutane. So if you see like this, let's draw it like this. Butane has how many carbon atoms? 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's number it 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So at carbon number 2 we have a chloro group, and the rest is just butane. So it is CH3, CH, Cl, and this is CH2, and this is CH3. So, and as you can see, this carbon number 2, this carbon is a chiral center. This is a chiral center. But do you see any kind of plane of symmetry here? No plane of symmetry is there, right? Because there is no plane of symmetry, and because for plane of symmetry, a Cl should be there. Okay, if Cl group was here at carbon number 3, then we can say that yes, there is a plane of symmetry, and then this will become one of the isomer of this compound will become a mesoisomer, and that will become optically inactive, right? But as you can see here, only one chiral center is there, so thus it will not possess a mesoisomer, because for mesoisomer the main condition is that 2 chiral centers must be there. So thus this is not the answer. Is not the answer. Now next is butane 2,3-diol. So let's see just this way. So it is right. So this is a carbon, this is a carbon, this is also a carbon, and this is also a carbon, right? So let's see butane 2,3-diol. Okay, so this is a butane. That means here CH3 will be here. Here CH3 will be there. 1. Let's number it like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at 2,3-diol means at carbon number 2 also we have OH, and at carbon number 3 also we have diol means we have a alcoholic group OH, and then hydrogen, complete the valency. Now if you see this butane 2,3-diol, this carbon is having hydrogen OH, CH3 and another carbon with a OHH and CH3. So thus this carbon, second carbon is chiral center. Similarly, this carbon is having this group COH, HCH3 and HOH and CH3. So all the four substituents are different. So thus this is a chiral center. Because what is a chiral center? Chiral center is a center when a carbon is possessing four different groups. So when four different groups are attached to the same carbon, then that is known as what? A chiral center. So both of these carbons have four different substituents, right? So that's why these two will be the chiral center. Now, if you see clearly, there is a plane of symmetry between this. If you draw a plane of symmetry here, this OH will overlap this OH, this CH3 will overlap this CH3, and this hydrogen will overlap this hydrogen. So thus, this compound butane 2,3-diol possess a mesoisomer. So this is the mesoisomer. You can draw another isomer of this compound as well, like this. You can put one OH here and one OH here, H, CH3 and CH3. Now you cannot draw a plane of symmetry. There is no plane of symmetry here. Although this is still a chiral center and this is still a chiral center because they have four different substituents attached. Right? But still, there is no plane of symmetry. But here in this compound, there is a plane of symmetry. So thus, this compound possess a mesoisomer is there. So this is our meso compound or mesoisomer. So thus, of butane 3, this is the mesoisomer of butane 2,3-diol. So thus, option B is the correct answer because it possesses a meso compound or mesoisomer. Okay. So the next is 2,3-dichloropentane. Okay. Pentane means how many carbon atoms? 5. Okay. Let's draw the structure similarly in this way only. In this Fischer projection. So dichloropentane is how many? 5 carbon atoms. So you have CH3 here. 1, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, right? 4 carbon and 5 carbon. 5 carbon. Alright. Now 5 carbon. Now this is pentane. Now let's number them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 2,3-dichloro. 2,3-dichloro means that at position 2 we have a chloro group. At position 3 also we have a chloro group attached. Alright, then 2,3-dichloropentane. Okay, this is the structure. Let's complete the valencies. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Here also hydrogen, hydrogen. Now this is the structure of 2,3-dichloropentane. Now if you see this carbon number 2, this is a chiral center. Why? Because it has hydrogen, Cl, CH3 and this huge group. This complete group is the fourth substituent of this carbon. Of carbon number 2, right? So this is what? Chiral center. Similarly, this carbon number 3 is also a chiral center. Why? Because one Cl, one H, one this group CH2, CH3 and one this group CHCl, CH3. Right, so this is also chiral center and no other chiral center is there in this. But if you see 2 chiral center is there, okay, one condition is satisfied for mesoisomer presence, mesoisomer compound. Now, is there a plane of symmetry which can divide this molecule into 2 halves? No, there is no. What is plane of symmetry? Plane of symmetry is a symmetry which can divide the molecule into 2 equal halves. Here it was dividing the molecule into 2 equal halves. That's why this was a mesoisomer. POS was there. Plane of symmetry was there. Here, is there any symmetry? So if you see, there is no plane of symmetry. Because there is no plane of symmetry which is dividing this compound in 2 equal halves, that's why this compound is not a mesoisomer. Alright, so this is not a mesoisomer. And your last option, our last compound is 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. So let's see. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Propanoic means 3 carbon atoms, right? 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Oic acid means one of them is COH. Alright, so 1 carbon, so this will be carbon number 1. Carbon number 2, this will be carbon number 3 because it is propanoic. So this will be our propanoic. And 2-hydroxy means at carbon number 2 we have a OH present. And let's complete the valency. So this is the formula, this is the compound of 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now if you see how many chiral centers are there. This chiral center, carbon number 2 is chiral center. Why? Because OH is there. H, CH3 and COH. All 4 different substituents. This carbon is it chiral center? No, because it has 3 same hydrogen atoms. Is this carbon chiral center? No, because this carbon is sp2 hybridized like this. And sp2 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized. Why? Let's calculate the steric number. Steric number is the sum of lone pair and the sigma bonds, or you can say the bond pair. So if R group, let's consider this whole group as R. So this is R. So this is a sigma, this is a sigma, and we know that whenever two atoms are doubly bonded, so one of the bond is sigma and another bond is pi. So similarly, this one bond will also be sigma, right? So thus, let me draw this again. Let's see this here. It is like this: R, C double bond O, OH. Okay, so whenever we calculate steric number is nothing but lone pair plus sigma, right? Lone pair plus sigma. So similarly, one sigma is here, and whenever doubly bonded atoms are there, so one bond is always a sigma bond, another one is always a pi bond. So this one is sigma, another one is pi. So it has, so let's calculate the steric number. Is there any lone pair on this carbon? No, so 0. How many sigma bonds? Or you can say the bond pairs. So one bond, second sigma bond, and third sigma bond. So 3 sigma bonds, so total 3. That means sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized means planar. Okay, it is already in a plane. Okay, so that's why this cannot be a chiral center, and it also do not possess 4 different substituents. So thus this is not a chiral center. So if you see in this structure, there is only one chiral center. It does not even have 2 chiral center. That is a minimum, that is the main condition for mesoisomers. So thus this will not possess a mesoisomer, and the only answer is B, butane 2,3-diol, and the rest are not the correct answers. Okay, because B, butane 2,3-diol possess a meso compound. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.